Hello there. Welcome to Family Finance YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to start a family budget step by step for beginners. Let's get started. If you want to take control of your household money but do not know where to begin, this video is for you. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to start a family budget step by step in a simple and realistic way. A family budget is simply a plan for how your household money will be used. It helps you organize your income, cover your bills, plan your savings, manage debt, and control spending. Budgeting is not about restriction. It is about clarity and control. Start by calculating your total monthly household income. Include all regular income sources such as your paycheck, your spouse's paycheck, side income, or any other consistent money coming into the home. Use your take-home pay, not gross pay. Next, list your expenses. Start with fixed expenses, which usually stay the same each month, like rent, mortgage, insurance, and loan payments. Then list variable expenses, such as groceries, gas, and household spending. You want a full picture of where your money goes. Now separate your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, transportation, and utilities. Wants are extra things you enjoy but can reduce when necessary. This step helps you identify where you can cut back if your budget is too tight. Once you know your income and expenses, build your budget. Start with income, subtract your fixed expenses, then your variable expenses, then add planned savings and debt payments. If money is left over, assign it a purpose. If you are over budget, reduce some spending categories. Do not stop at just paying bills. Your budget should also include savings and debt payoff. Even if you start small, budget something for your emergency fund and any financial goals. If you have debt, include required payments and extra payments if possible. A budget only works if you track your spending. Review your spending every week and compare it to your plan. This helps you catch overspending early and make adjustments before the month gets away from you. Common beginner mistakes include guessing instead of using real numbers, forgetting irregular expenses, making the budget too strict, and never reviewing it. Remember, your first budget does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be usable. To recap, know your income, list your expenses, separate needs from wants, build your budget, include savings and debt payments, and track your spending regularly. Start simple, stay consistent, and improve each month. Subscribe to Family Finance with Daniel for more practical videos on budgeting, saving money, debt payoff, and beginner investing. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making financial decisions.